It's Brad from KickstartPPC, and in this video we're going to be showing you step by step how to request reimbursements from Amazon. Amazon often loses your stock, whether it be inbound inventory or what's already there, and sometimes they'll reimburse you, sometimes they won't. So it's your job to be on top of it and make sure that you know what's going on, you're getting reimbursed the proper amount. So we're going to show you to do that now. So let's jump into it. So this process is quite straightforward. All you need to do is click the link in the description. This will then take you to this page. From here, you'll want to scroll down to this section. So add in your FN SKU of the product. That will then show you what's been missing, what's been accounted for, and that once you click continue, that will show up. And then if anything is missing, it'll say, okay, create a case, and all that information will then be submitted to Seller Central support. So with that, it's quite a straightforward way to look at it. If there is nothing showing up, then chances are you're all good. There are exceptions to this, and it comes to FBA Shipments. So I'm going to be showing you this next. Now for this part, just press help, and this will take you to this section. So you can look at Amazon inventory damage in FBA warehouse. So I'm just going to put in a random number here. That's not going to match, but then contact an associate. And from here, what you want to do is put in the ASIN or FN SKU. So let's just put in random ASIN and use a message of this sort. So this would be if you have an FBA shipment, this is the best way to do it. So pop in your ASIN, FBA shipment ID, transaction date if you want to add that in, and submit. Very straightforward. It's just something to keep your eye on because it's very easy to, if you're sending in multiple shipments, to miss out. Maybe if there's a couple of units missing, you definitely don't want to be losing the money on that. It is your money at the end of the day. So definitely keep on top of this. Make sure you're getting paid in full for everything. Hope you guys found that useful, and hopefully it allows you to save some money on your FBA stock. If you aren't doing this already, we strongly recommend you start. Amazon does have a time limit on how long you can submit these things back for. So you don't want to be waiting 6 months, a year to submit a case. You want to be doing this ongoing and making sure you're not leaving money on the table, because at the end of the day, it is your money. You don't want to just give it away for free. So if you do need help with that and you don't have the time to manage this yourself, because you should be doing this at least every month or every couple of weeks, you can contact us, KickstartPPC.com. We'll file this for you, make sure that you're getting your reimbursements, and we'll just take 20% of what we're actually saving you. Most other services are kind of in the 25-30% range, but we'll charge you 20. I think that's pretty fair, and that's based on what we save you. So if we don't save you anything, it doesn't cost you anything. So feel free and contact us, KickstartPPC.com. And if you have any more queries, you can feel free and contact us below, leave a comment, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.